How to delete Facebook account permanently. In order to do that, click right here to your three lines, click right here to your gear icon, and then from there, click on your Meta account center. After that, scroll down, and then from in there, you can see these options right here. Click right here on your permission and permission, and then you can see this. First, you need to download your information in order to make a backup of it. But once you're done, head over right here to your personal details. Click right here on your account ownership. Click on your deactivation or deletion. Then just choose your Facebook account. Click on this delete account option and click on continue. And then as you can see, this will also delete your Facebook pages. Click on continue as well. And then you can choose in here an option why you actually want to delete it. Once you're done, scroll down right here and click on continue. Then after that, just enter your password in order to continue deleting your account on Facebook. That's how you delete Facebook account permanently. Hope you help.